Hey there! Do you want to learn how to hide your Facebook friends list in 2023? Whether it's for privacy reasons or just personal preference, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to hide your Facebook friends list so that no one else can see it. Let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account and navigate to your profile page. On your profile page, you'll see an Edit Profile button. Just next to it, you'll find a 3 dots icon. Tap on it to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Privacy Center. This will take you to the Facebook Privacy Settings page. On the Privacy Settings page, you'll find a menu titled Protect Yourself and Your Information. Tap on it to expand the menu options. In the expanded menu options, you'll see the Limit Who Can See What You Share section. Tap on it to open the privacy settings for your posts and activity. Scroll down until you see the Hide Your Friends List option. Tap on it to open the settings. In the Hide Your Friends List settings, you'll see different options to customize who can see your friends list. To hide it from everyone, select Only Me. After selecting Only Me, tap on the Done button to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Facebook friends list in 2023. Remember that your friends list will no longer be visible to anyone else on Facebook. We hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.